Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on Lucid, ticker LCID. We have to talk here about the actual price action and what the market is doing. Yeah, crypto is seeing here a crash flash, a sell-off. That looks not that bad when you see here the table minus 15%, minus 8%, minus 9%. But for example, XRP lost since its January peak here 2025 minus 48%, guys. So the market is saying, okay, we are overheated, it's almost enough. So we have to check what does that mean for Lucid and if this will affect the price or not. Of course, I give you here my full chart analysis based on the technicals. As you all know, this is not financial advice. Yo guys, first of all, when we start here with the indicators, we have here this black EMA line in the chart, and very easy to see every time when Lucid tried to break out or even try to squeeze, we have here a huge rejection. The black EMA line here is a natural resistance, nothing special guys, yeah, but you can see even here with some volume spikes, the algos or the price level or the price action here is not strong enough to break the algos which are waiting here to sell off their positions. So when we see the overall chart pattern here, we have a trend channel pattern for Lucid. Of course, we know that we have this more or less double top pattern here. This spike or the peak was in February 2021 and then in November 2021, guys, and this is a very important information. November 2021, the market started to sell off and we had a bear market. That is what we exactly could see right now as well. In my opinion, we are not there yet. I will inform you here on my channel when we see a bear market incoming, but I think we have a little bit more room to go. Even that looks like a crash here, but when you see on which price level those currencies are reacting right now, that is not a crash, guys. This is just a pullback. So, but for Lucid, what does that mean for Lucid, guys? So we have no chance here to recover. You can see the price is just going down, but we have here some warning signals or hidden signals in the chart, and that is the volume, guys. We have here a huge increasement of volume. This is usually a sign of dilution, yeah, when a company or when you see a chart with this kind of volume spikes. This is nothing special, that happens over and over again, but here we have a clear increased volume, and that is also a sign for dilution. We know that for Lucid, we have here a very high short interest, so the float is right now almost 1.2 billion shares. And 273 million shares are short. That means we have an official short interest from 22.9%. Let's make it easy, guys, 23%. And we of course know that Lucid is diluting the float. We can see that here how the float is increasing, getting bigger and bigger. And this is of course a problem, a dilution, guys, when a company is diluting their stock. Yeah, this is not in favor for a squeeze. Of course, this can still squeeze. We have here almost 23% short squeeze or short interest. That is of course possible to see a short squeeze. I just want to explain you, when the float is big like that, you need a lot of volumes to break the bearish algos. 23% short interest is very high, guys. So the market makers do not agree with the actual price here and try to drive the price more down. So when we zoom out, everything looks bearish, right? Everything looks like there is no hope, no bottom. This is what we can see here in the chart. However, guys, when we zoom in, yeah, we have here one very important price level for Lucid. Very important, guys, yeah. This is $2.53, or here in my chart, yeah, $2.52. This red line here acts as a support or resistance depending on where the price is, and we can see that Lucid is able to hold this price here, yeah, almost since January 2024. So since 1 year, the market makers are not able to bring the price below that. Yes, of course, they managed it to do that, but we recovered really quick from that. And when they tried here this shakeout here in April 2024, you can see that the reaction was here a small squeeze of 94%. When we talk about short squeezes, guys, there are so many opportunities in the market. I will of course give you here my prediction on Lucid as well, but I had here so many squeezes in 2024, which I predicted, by the way, and just here around December, Christmas, we had here in just 6 or 7 trading days squeezes between 107 and 480% after my prediction. I always try to predict short squeezes here on my channel, and especially here My so-called hot stocks are very popular. I upload those videos here every Sunday and make here squeeze predictions for the upcoming week. And as I said, usually I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next days. January is boring, guys, so it is just a matter of time until those stocks will explode. If you want to see those short squeeze stocks, you can join in here the full package membership on Patreon. This is the most popular membership which I have. You get all the benefits here. And if you also want to join in, guys, you can click here the info icon in the corner to get access to this Patreon member link. So guys, what I want to show you, yes, we have dilution, yes, we are in a downtrend, yes, everything sucks. So, but now, guys, I want to show you this. When we have a quick look here at the weekly chart for Lucid, then we can see, yes, we have dilution, yeah, no doubt about that, but the buyers here, guys, are very, very, very active. It could be, guys, it could be that $1.93, which was the all-time low here for Lucid, it is possible that that has been the bottom. Yeah, I don't want to hype you up. You have to work with a stop loss below that price here, guys. It is possible that we're just going down and down and down. You can see that we find support here at the bottom line of this trend channel here, but that doesn't mean that we start to squeeze right now. But for me, and very good indicator here are these volume spikes. So that shows me that the buyers are serious here. Even we have dilution. They bought the dip and they tried to keep the price up. And as I said before, $2.52, guys, is the make it or break it price level. As long as we're trading above that, we have still some bullish momentum for Lucid. If the market should turn bearish right now, guys, be careful. Work with a stop loss. Don't hope for a squeeze. We could here come massively down. $1.80 and lower are the next price calls if we don't hold this price line. But as I said, as long as we're trading here in this area, I'm still, yeah, not super bullish, but I think we could see here a squeeze for Lucid, an algo squeeze. If we just have a small algo squeeze, that means we just retest here $3.77 here in that range. That would be, of course, nothing. This is just Mickey Mouse shit, guys. But what we want to see is here a squeeze out of this trend channel pattern. First of all, yes, we have to break here this black EMA line, but this is also Mickey Mouse. We want to squeeze out of this trend channel here. We had the same situation here back in June 2023. That was the last time when we traded outside of this trend channel. So this is now, yeah, 1.5 years ago, a little bit more. We want to squeeze out of this trend channel pattern here and then start to close the open gaps which are above. $6.16, guys, is one of the first price goals which we could reach if we start to squeeze based on the actual price which we have right now. This is already here a 130% squeeze. Better than nothing, guys. One of my hot stocks squeezed 440% here in January, guys. So we have here so many squeeze potential in the market. But then if we break $6.16, then we are back here in the bullish trading range. You can see this, yeah, acts like a squeeze trigger, algo trigger here. So the bearish market makers with shorting Lucid, they will try to do everything, guys, to keep the stock price below $6.16. So put that on your radar. Make yourself an alarm here. If you use TradingView, guys, make an alarm, and when we squeeze over $6.16 and can hold this price with volume, yes, guys, then everything here to the upside is possible for Lucid, guys. Yeah, being that said, if you don't have TradingView, guys, this is, by the way, the program what I use here for all my videos and all my trades. It's called TradingView, and I can highly recommend that program. I'm not sponsored by TradingView, but I can offer you here a discount link. If you want to learn trading, this is the way to go. I use that for all my videos and all my trades, and you can get here a $15 discount link on the premium tier. When you click the info icon in the corner, you get access to the special discount link. So, my friends, that was the update on Lucid. I hope that was helpful. If you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your time and see you in the next one. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute, viel Erfolg mit Lucid und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.